Introducing an innovative website that offers a unique opportunity to earn $7 for each song you listen to. Imagine the potential of earning up to $70 per day by simply indulging in 10 songs, or even a remarkable $140 for 20 songs every day. As a testament to its effectiveness, I've already generated around $800 by merely enjoying music. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's kickstart the process. Begin by navigating Google and searching for Free Music Archive. Click on the first link that appears, leading you to the website. Upon arrival, click on the blue box categorized under Free Music Archive. No need to create projects. Our focus here is solely on listening to music and gathering income. As evident from the provided payment proof, individuals are successfully making money on a daily basis through this method. For the execution of this strategy, we'll be utilizing fileupload.com. To get started, create an account on this platform. Once registered, your account overview will become visible. Now let's delve into the details of how to capitalize on this opportunity. The process is refreshingly simple. Listen to songs, download them, and then share them with your contacts. As they proceed to download your link, you reap the financial benefits. Opt for songs across diverse genres, but for optimal outcomes, concentrate on popular categories such as pop music. Download the songs that genuinely resonate with you, bearing in mind that you're being paid to enjoy music that you personally like. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. With the groundwork laid, let's transition to the money-making aspect. Visit fileupload.com, log into your account, and proceed to upload the downloaded songs. This platform compensates you for each successful download. After downloading, make sure to copy the link provided by the platform. Share this link with your network of friends. When they download the song using your link, you accumulate earnings. The principle is simple. More downloads equate to higher earnings. To optimize your income potential, target countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. These regions offer higher payouts per download. The process of utilizing fileupload.com is not only cost-free but also user-friendly. Take a moment to explore the proof of payment section to witness how individuals are achieving noteworthy earnings. Registering for an account is a straightforward process. Furnish a username, email address, password, and your preferred payment method such as PayPal. Initiate the uploading of your chosen songs. Upon successful upload completion, you'll be provided with a unique link. Disseminate this link within music-related Facebook groups with a focus on communities interested in specific artists. Bear in mind that the key lies in sharing your links within active and engaged groups. As the number of downloads stemming from your links increases, so does your earnings. While a single song may not make you wealthy overnight, repeating this process with multiple songs has the potential to accumulate substantial earnings over time. So there you have it, the lowdown. Groove to your heart's content, toss those tracks around like confetti, and watch your earnings swell with each download. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!